Imagine a vast network of interconnected cells, each broadcasting signals that enable our smartphones to make calls, browse the internet, and stream videos. This is the essence of cellular communication. But how does your phone know which cell it's connected to? The answer lies in a unique identifier called the physical cell identity, or PCI. In essence, PCI is like a digital fingerprint for each cell in a cellular network. It's a number that distinguishes one cell from another, ensuring that your phone can connect to the correct source of signals. Without PCI, our phones would be lost in a sea of radio waves, unable to establish a stable connection. The importance of PCI extends beyond mere identification. It plays a critical role in various cellular processes, including cell synchronization and handover, which are essential for seamless communication as we move from one cell to another. One of the key functions of PCI is to maintain synchronization within a cellular network. Just like an orchestra needs a conductor to keep all the instruments playing in harmony, a cellular network relies on precise timing to ensure that signals from different cells don't interfere with each other. PCI helps achieve this synchronization by providing a timing reference for each cell. Another critical function of PCI is to facilitate smooth handovers. As you move while talking on your phone or browsing the internet, your connection needs to be seamlessly transferred from one cell tower to another. This process, known as handover, relies heavily on PCI. Your phone constantly monitors the signal strength of neighboring cells, identifying them by their unique PCIs. When it detects a stronger signal from a neighboring cell, it initiates a handover, ensuring uninterrupted communication. The assignment of unique PCIs is crucial to avoid interference and confusion. Imagine two cells with the same PCI transmitting signals in close proximity. This would lead to what's known as PCI collision, resulting in dropped calls, slow internet speeds, and overall network degradation. From the moment you turn on your phone, PCI comes into play. During the initial cell search, your phone scans for available networks by identifying the PCIs being broadcasted. Once it finds a suitable network, it uses the PCI to synchronize with the cell and establish a connection. Throughout your phone call or browsing session, PCI continues to play a vital role in maintaining a stable connection. As you move, your phone constantly measures the signal strength of surrounding cells, identifying them by their unique PCIs. When the signal from your current cell weakens, your phone initiates a handover to a neighboring cell with a stronger signal, ensuring a seamless transition. Network optimization also relies heavily on PCI. By analyzing PCI usage patterns, network operators can identify areas with high traffic or interference. This information allows them to adjust cell tower configurations, optimize signal strength, and allocate resources effectively, leading to an overall improvement in network performance. With the advent of 5G, the landscape of cellular communication is undergoing a dramatic transformation. 5G networks promise lightning-fast speeds, ultra-low latency, and the ability to connect billions of devices. In the realm of 5G, PCI continues to play a vital role, albeit with some notable advancements. While 4G LTE networks typically utilize a PCI range of 0 to 503, 5G NR, new radio, expands this range to accommodate the increased density and complexity of 5G deployments. Furthermore, 5G introduces new technologies and features that enhance the usage of PCI. For instance, beamforming, a technique that directs signals towards specific users, relies on accurate PCI information to ensure that data is delivered to the intended recipient. As we venture further into the era of 5G and beyond, PCI will continue to evolve, adapting to the ever-increasing demands of our connected world. Its role in ensuring seamless, reliable, and high-performance cellular communication remains as crucial as ever.